Welcome to this special video presentation on how to register and join Recharge and Get Paid network. It is brought to you by yours truly, Ezinwa Anayo. Now let's go through a brief intro on what Recharge and Get Paid is all about. Recharge and Get Paid, just as the name suggests, gets you paid whenever you make use of the services available on Recharge and Get Paid. When you buy airtime through Recharge and Get Paid, you get paid. When you subscribe to any data bundle plan, you get paid. When you pay for cable TV subscription, you get paid. When you pay for electric bills on Recharge and Get Paid, you get paid. So Recharge and Get Paid is all about paying you for using any of the services available on Recharge and Get Paid. Now, it started operations in 2015 and operates on two main business points: telecommunication product distribution like airtime, data bundles, cable TV subscription, electric bills and other payments. And also there's the multi-level aspect of Recharge and Get Paid, where you get paid to help promote Recharge and Get Paid. It is a fully registered company in Nigeria, both with CAC and Nigeria Communications Commission. Those are the certificates. That's a certificate of incorporation on the left hand side and a certificate of license, class license from Nigeria Communications Commission, to tell you that Recharge and Get Paid is a very genuine company, registered and licensed to operate in Nigeria. Now, here are the benefits you get when you join Recharge and Get Paid. As a member of Recharge and Get Paid, you automatically become a distributor of airtime, data bundle, cable TV subscription services, electric bills payment, and every other payment services which Recharge and Get Paid renders. As an independent business owner which Recharge and Get Paid makes you automatically start selling airtime, data bundle, cable TV subscription, and other payment services. When I talk about airtime selling, I don't mean selling airtime like the roadside sellers that sell physical paper recharge card. No, you sell airtime just like the banks do. You know that when you recharge airtime through banks get a commission. But now you are now going in between the buyer of the airtime and the buyer of the airtime and the network selling the airtime. You now become the middleman, and whenever you sell airtime through Recharge and Get Paid, instead of the money going to banks, in the case of banks being recharging through bank, you are now being paid. Recharge and Get Paid pays you for being a member and selling airtime. The same goes for data bundle subscription and also cable TV subscription. When you recharge cable TV for somebody, you also get paid. That's a business of its own, which you are entitled to when you become a member of Recharge and Get Paid. Now you get 2% the value of every airtime you recharge using Recharge and Get Paid. It doesn't stop at that. You get 10% the value of every data bundle subscription you make for yourself or you sell to anybody. Now when you go for cable TV subscription, you do cable TV subscription which you use the Go TV, the DSTV and the StarTime for yourself, or you do for any other person, you get paid. Now how do you get money when you do all this? You collect physical recharge card for them, or they can pay to your bank, then you do the service for them. When you do the service for them, your Recharge and Get Paid account is credited, which you can also withdraw to your bank. Now you also get 20% membership bonus when you join Recharge and Get Paid. Recharge and Get Paid is kind enough to say, since you have joined, take 10% of your membership fee, take it and as a capital to start on Recharge and Get Paid. You also get the following referral bonuses. I earlier told you that Recharge and Get Paid has a multi-level marketing aspect of it. Now when you decide to promote Recharge and Get Paid, you bring in members to Recharge and Get Paid, you get 20% bonus of their referral membership fee. Let's say, for instance, you refer somebody who comes in with 50,000 naira to the program. Now 10% of 50,000 is 10,000 naira. That's what you get for bringing in somebody who joins Recharge and get paid with 50,000 naira. You also get 10% indirect referral bonus. That simply means anybody you bring to the program who succeeds in bringing another person to the program, you get a commission from that same person. Let's say the person who you brought to the program came in with 50,000 naira. You have already gotten 10%. You have already gotten 20% of 50,000 naira, which is 10,000 naira. And the person brings in another person who joins with 50,000 naira. You are now getting 10% of that 50,000 naira, which is 5,000 naira. You also get paid when the people you bring to the program makes use of any of the Recharge and Get Paid services or products available. Now when they recharge airtime on Recharge and Get Paid, you get 0.35% of whatever recharge amount they make. Does not stop at that. You know that when you recharge, you get paid. When somebody you brings to the program recharge, you get paid. When somebody you brought to the program refers somebody to the program, the person recharges, you also get paid. That's how it continues up to the 10th level on Recharge and Get Paid. Now when you pay for cable TV subscription, you get paid. When somebody you refer to the program makes use of cable TV subscription, he recharges for himself or he pays for cable TV subscription for somebody, you get paid 10 naira. So on and on it goes. Hold on, just wait. That's not all you get from Recharge and Get Paid. It's about to get even juicier. Just sit pretty tight. Here is where it gets even juicier. You also get the following incentives. As a member of Recharge and Get Paid, you are entitled to 100,000 naira monthly leadership bonus. That's not all. You are also entitled to an all expense paid Dubai vacation trip. If you decide not to go for the vacation trip, you can simply ask them to give you your 500,000 naira cash reward. It doesn't stop at that. You're also entitled to a car or 2 million naira cash reward. Just hold on. You're also entitled to a small house or 3 million naira cash reward. That's not all. You're also entitled to a big house or 4 million naira cash reward. And finally, you are entitled to the biggest of them all, a bigger house or 6 million naira cash reward. All these benefits and many more when you become a member of Recharge and Get Paid. Now, both distribution of airtime and other products, services, and the multi-level marketing side of Recharge and Get Paid, they are all open to all members. Immediately you sign up on Recharge and Get Paid, every of them is available to you for you to go and start doing what? Earning and getting all the benefits. Now, how do I become a member of Recharge and Get Paid? That's one of the questions I know you must be asking yourself right now. To become a member, you must get one of the membership packages available on Recharge and Get Paid. Now, here are the membership packages. Recharge and Get Paid has made it very easy for anybody from any walk of life to join, be you a student, a pastor, a farmer, whatever your calling is, whatever you do for a living. You can simply join Recharge and Get Paid. Even if you are a student, you can save up your pocket money up to 5,000 naira and you can join Recharge and Get Paid on the basic package, which is 5,000 naira. After the basic package, you have the bronze package. The bronze package goes for 10,000 naira. After the bronze is the silver package. The silver package goes for 20,000 naira. After silver is gold, the gold goes for 30,000 naira. After gold, you have the diamond. Diamond goes for 40,000 naira. And after diamond comes the platinum package. Platinum goes for 50,000 naira. After platinum package is the highest package plan, which is the platinum executive package plan, which goes for 100,000 naira. You can start with any of the packages. You can start with basic. As you get money from basic, you can then upgrade to bronze, from bronze to silver, silver to gold, and that way you keep growing. Or you can simply go from basic package to platinum executive. It is allowed. It doesn't mean that you have to go through the ranks, no, or through the packages. No, you can simply move from basic to platinum executive, or if you have the money, you can simply go for the platinum executive package at once. Now, why do you have to go for the platinum or the diamond executive plan? It's simple. Diamond and platinum executive members are the ones entitled to all the rewards, like the monthly rewards, the vacation trip, the car and house incentives. But mind you, selling of a recharge card, getting paid, selling of airtime, selling of cable TV subscription are not affected in any way when you are not a diamond or a platinum member. Once you become a member, selling of a recharge card, you are entitled to it. But for you to earn any of these rewards, the car, the monthly reward, the vacation and the houses, you must be a diamond or a platinum member. Now, when you sign up on basic package, you are being limited on how you earn from your downline. When you sign up on basic, you can only earn up to level 5. By level 5, I mean you can only earn up to, let's say you sign up, you bring in somebody, those persons are on your level 1. The person goes ahead to bring somebody, that person is on your level 2. The person goes ahead to bring somebody, those people are on your level 3. On and on it goes up to level 5. So when you are on basic package, your earning stops at basic 5, but when you keep upgrading your packages, you are being extended to up to level 10 when you become a platinum member. Platinum members are allowed to earn up to level 10. Now, joining Recharge and Get Paid. Am I qualified to join Recharge and Get Paid? Yes, you are very much qualified. You are pretty much qualified, and as a matter of fact, everyone and anybody from every walk of life is eligible to join, so long as you make use of airtime, or so long as even people around you make use of airtime. They buy airtime, they pay for cable TV, they buy data bundle plan. Yes, you are eligible to join Recharge and Get Paid. Whatever you do for a living, you can use Recharge and Get Paid as a side income. Even if you are unemployed, you can use Recharge and Get Paid as a business, because it gives you business, something for you to sell. You begin to sell airtime, you begin to sell data bundle subscription, you begin to sell cable TV subscriptions. Now, how do you register as a member of Recharge and Get Paid? Registration to Recharge and Get Paid could be done through one of the following. You can register on Recharge and Get Paid through your upline. Upline simply means somebody who introduced Recharge and Get Paid to you. You simply go to the person with the money, your money for your payment for your membership package. Then the person will do the registration for you, or you can simply do it yourself, which I strongly recommend. Now, to go through your upline for registration, all you need to do is go to your upline, go with your name, your bank details, your phone number, and every other thing needed, including the membership fee. If it's basic package, you go with 5,000 naira. If it is bronze, you go with 10,000 naira, and on it go. Then your upline will do the registration for you, and when he has done doing the registration for you, he will now tell you you can now log in and start using Recharge and Get Paid. Or you can do it yourself, and that is the one I recommend. And it's best you do it yourself, as it's very easy to do, because if you do it yourself, you can now be able to also register people under yourself. You can now register for somebody, so it's easier for you to do yourself. But before you do it, you need what's called referral ID. Referral ID is simply the username of the person who brought you to the program. Now, if you don't have referral ID up to this very point, I will advise you use my own referral ID, which is showing on the screen, SZY NWA without the quotes, without these quotes. And when you have gotten this referral ID, you simply go to rechargeandgetpaid.com. When you get to rechargeandgetpaid.com, you click on join now. To avoid going through the process, you can simply go through the direct link rechargeandgetpaid.com/recharge.php. Now just hold on, tag along with me as I go over to my internet browser and show you a detailed step-by-step process on how to register on Recharge and Get Paid. Now we are on Recharge and Get Paid website. Here is the website link, rechargeandgetpaid.com. Now when you're on Recharge and Get Paid, you click on join now. Some are closer to the left hand, you click on join now. Now it brings up the registration page. You can see the direct link to Recharge and Get Paid registration page, rechargeandgetpaid.com/register.php. Now the first thing you enter is referral ID. Referral ID is simply the username of your upline, the person who referred you to Recharge and Get Paid. Now in this case, if you don't have a referral ID, simply put this is SZYNWA. That's my referral ID. You put it in, then you enter your first name and also your last name. Now everything you enter here, make sure that it's very correct to avoid mistakes. You also enter your phone number. Then your login details. Your username could be anything, something like a nickname. Your username could be anything. And then you enter a password. The password must be a combination of number and alphabet. Then you re-enter your password. And when you are through, you click on next. Then there's a pop-up. Now log in with your username and password to continue registration. It brings this up for you to log in with the details you have already provided. Now I used Hyperincome as my username. Then let me enter my password. Then you log in to continue the registration process. Next, you made this membership registration page. On this page, you choose the membership plan you want to go for. Here is the basic 5,000, bronze 10,000, silver 20, diamond 40, platinum 50, executive platinum 100. Now you carefully select the plan you want to go for. Let's choose bronze in this case. Now there are two ways to make registration. You pay through Paystack or you pay through e-wallet. If you are paying through payment through e-wallet, is only for members who want to register somebody under them. But since you're a new member, you want to do it yourself, you must go through Paystack. Paystack, you must do it with your payment, your ATM card. Now it takes you to the payment page. Here you are putting in your bank details. Bank details is your own bank details, not the bank you are paying with, but the bank. Let's say if you make money from Recharge and Get Paid, where you want the money to be paid into, that's what you put in here. You then put in your account number, and your account name. the name on your bank account. Now when you are through, you click on next. That is like I made a mistake. Let me re-enter my account details. Let me re-enter my account. Then my account name. Now click on next. Now here is the payment checkout. It's now showing the bronze package 10,000 naira. I can change membership. If I change my mind, I don't want to go for bronze, I want to go for a high package, then I can change it through here. But since I want to continue, let me click on pay via Paystack. Paystack is a payment processor that will process the payment, and Paystack is an authorized and secure payment processor you can pay through. Just rest assured, you have nothing to worry about. Now you can see this is recharge and get paid. This is 10,000, and there's a commission you pay for going through Paystack. So there's a commission attached to it. So you are paying the commission of 260. 260 is not the fees, it's not fixed. So it's like a percentage you pay for the amount you are going for. If you are paying 5,000, it's lower, the processing fee is lower. Then if the higher you go, the higher the commission fee. So here you enter your card details, your ATM card details, where you have money in. You enter the card expiry date, and you also enter your CVV number 970. Now when you click on pay, they will send something like a one-time pin, a notification pin to your bank, your phone number, the phone number you get alert with. They will send a code there to make sure that you are the person doing the payment. So you don't need to worry about security, because this is a secured feature to make sure that you are the person paying. You don't need to worry. Once the code enters your phone, you enter the code here. When you are done entering the code, the payment goes on and your account is being activated successfully. Now I'm waiting for the code to enter my phone. Now when the code enters your phone, you just simply enter the 4-digit code being sent to your phone number, the phone number that is being registered with the bank account you want to make payment with. Once you enter it, it now processes. Now I'm not registering, I'm already a member, so there's no point registering again for myself. So let's go back to our presentation. That's simply how to do the registration. Now before I forget, the CVV code you enter, the CVV code you have been asked for. Let's say when you do want to pay with Paystack, the CVV code you have been asked for, this code right here. If you turn the back of your ATM, there's a 3-digit number there. That's the code you enter here for you to complete your registration. Once you enter the code, just be rest assured, you can see recharge and get paid. The company is showing here. So just rest assured, you can pay with your card. There's no cost for alarm. You can pay with your card. This card is Paystack is a secured company. You can check for Paystack. You can Google Paystack online. It's a very registered company. As you can see, it's secured by Paystack. Once you pay through them, your account will be credited automatically, and you simply become a member of Recharge and Get Paid. And once you do that, you can go ahead and start doing business with Recharge and Get Paid. Alright, let's go back to our slide and continue. Okay, welcome back to the slide. Now as you can see, we have gone through the registration process, and as you have seen yourself, it's a very simple and easy process to do. Just go ahead, sign up. Once you go over it 2 or 3 times, watch the video again over and over again, then you'll be acquainted with how to do that. Once you're acquainted with how to do that, you can now start registering people under you. Now, like Steve Jobs said, your time is limited, So don't waste it living someone else's life. Today is your time to join Recharge and Get Paid. Join Recharge and get paid today so as to get a business, not just the business of selling recharge card. Keep bringing people to Recharge and Get Paid, and when you do, you qualify for 100,000 naira monthly leadership bonus. You qualify for the car, qualify for the houses, and also a vacation trip to Dubai, and you begin to live the life of your dream. So don't waste your time. Your time is limited. Start living your own life today. Stop living someone else's life. For questions and comments, I know you may have a question, you may have a comment. Just comment on the space below, right below this video. There is a comment box there. Just type in your questions there, and I will get back to you with answers to your question. You can also call me on the number showing on your screen, 081-4454-8946. You can also send me a WhatsApp message for a question you have, or if you want to register and you have gone through the process, you cannot register, simply give me a call or send me a WhatsApp message on this same number, and that will tell, and we can pick it up from there. They say that I do the registration for you while you give me the cash, or I put you through on what next to do so that you can register on Recharge and Get Paid. Just stay updated. Subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can get updates from me. When I release videos like this, you can get access to them. Just stay updated. Subscribe to this channel. How do you subscribe to this channel? Just hold on, let me show you how to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now when you are through watching this video, simply click on this subscribe button here. You click on subscribe and also click this bell notification button. When you do this, you are being notified whenever I drop any important video that will help you to succeed in Recharge and Get Paid business. Just do that when you are through watching this video and stay updated. And now I have to thank you very much for staying till the end of this very presentation. Thank you for joining me on this very exciting and awesome ride. See you at the top as we make our millions in Recharge and Get Paid. Cheers.